everybody, welcome back to Sammy Joe Did You Know? This week's tech tip I'm super excited about. I love using talk to text on my cell phone. It definitely cuts down on the amount of time that I spend typing out a reply or an email. Did you know that your PC will also do this for you? It's super simple. All you need to do is put your cursor where you want your text to go, hit your Windows +H key. The control panel for the transcribe will pop up, letting you know that it's ready to record. It does add in capitalization and punctuation, but I always check everything for accuracy before I send. Subscribe below to see more tech tips with me. I'll see you next week on Sammy Joe Did You Know?